When you operate as a side hustler, there's usually not a lot of time or effort put into branding and expanding services. Now that you will be moving into a full-time freelance business, ask yourself, how will you be different from your competition in services, pricing, keywords, and branding? As a full-time freelancer, many of your decisions should be now focused on how to build your business. Having that mindset forces you to be forward-thinking with your branding and service offerings. This lesson will help you evaluate ways you can further brand your business and expand your services. To help you be forward-thinking, let's explore 4 areas: new service offerings, competitive pricing, keywords, and branding. For expanding into new service offerings, ask yourself, how much of your time will be spent to educate yourself for new service offerings? Use your newfound capacity as a business owner to expand the services you offer. When you're a side hustler, it's not problematic to limit the services you provide. As a side gig, you don't have much time to explore solving a variety of problems. And that's okay, since revenue is coming in from other areas. Now that you have greater capacity, you can grow your services and explore additional offerings. Growing may mean investing in training so you're skilled in other areas. Becoming a full-time freelancer is an investment in yourself. Spend the time and money to grow yourself, and in turn you'll grow your business. Another way to look at your new capacity for expansion of services is caring about the results of the services you offer. This will move you from someone who designs or codes into someone that can give actionable advice to clients on how to grow their business. It's a challenge if you don't have actionable advice to give. When you keep up to date on the latest news and trends from your industry, you'll be a wealth of helpful advice. Continue to educate and improve your skills, and you'll begin to deliver great results for your clients. Now ask yourself, what is the current pricing of your competition, and where will you fall on the branding scale? The budget option, competitive, or high value? Begin by researching your competition to arrive at a general idea of pricing across your industry. Many new business owners may want to attract budget-minded clients based on their need to quickly build a portfolio and gain experience. Some freelancers who have been running a side hustle for a while might find it more advantageous to be competitive or high value with their pricing. As your experience grows, it's not uncommon for your rate to increase as well. In the US, brand new web development freelancers can average around $35 an hour to $60 an hour. As that freelancer evolves with skill and experience, their rate starts to average from $60 to $80 an hour. In fact, after a few years, some freelancers will further expand their services and shift into an agency model by hiring or partnering with others to work with them on projects. Since more value is being provided, agencies in the US tend to attract clients willing to pay from $80 to $150 an hour. After time, you'll find your services begin to evolve as well. Freelancers who just offer website development find it a natural progression to keep the relationship going and offer website care, hosting, social media, and SEO services. Other services will begin to arise based on who you work with and their needs, like photography and video services, strategy calls, and marketing campaigns. As you narrow in your services and pricing, it's important to also research the competition for keywords. What are the keywords you will focus on in your new full-time business? Spend time searching online or in your local area for keywords that can be specific to your business. By reviewing the branding, pricing, and positioning of the competition, you can better determine how you will position yourself. These keywords will come in handy as you build your sales pages, post on social media, and write blog posts. All the work you've done up until this point on your mission statement or your target audience should help you arrive at a handful of keywords that best describe your new business. To help better illustrate, let's look at Marvin, who is starting his own web development freelance business. After researching his competition, he finds his fast turnaround time will be an allure for his target audience. His keywords become quick website fixes and one-day web design. Like Marvin, you don't need to have a super long list, just a handful of keywords that best describe what you do and who you do it for. Allow your keywords to become an anchor for your new business, spurring ideas for your website copy, blog posts, and branding. Now that you have a better idea of your services, pricing, and keywords, wrap all of that up in your new brand. Do these come across in your logo and mission statement for your new business? When you focus on building a business, a brand becomes an integral piece of the puzzle. Now it's time to play with your business name, your logo, and your mission statement, and work to present it in a branding packet. Take your branding packet and put it out there to your colleagues, friends, and family. Ask them these following questions. Is it clear what I offer? Who do you think my target audience is? How would you describe the brand in your own words? By seeing how others respond to your brand, your business name, logo, and mission statement, you'll have a good idea if these concepts are clear to those that don't know you. If your brand isn't clear, Go back to your keyword research and service offerings to find ways you can tweak it, simplify, or add a few more details. Revisiting Marvin, after his research, he determined his new freelance business will be called Blink Dev. His logo is a clock, and his mission statement is, I provide website development fixes for time-sensitive requests in order to help business owners get their websites back online. Without even talking about his services or target audience, you can have a good idea of what Marvin is attempting to do and who he will serve best. Branding can be a fun exercise as you look to transition from a side hustler to a full-time freelancer. It can also take the longest. Just remember, web designers and developers frequently rebrand, so don't delay going to market just because your branding isn't perfect. Keep the mindset that you are growing your business, which may include shifts in your services and branding, and you'll be on the right track.